Hi everyone! So mag-survival na kami.
Ito, no? Yan pa pa din ang ito. Nalabuto sa bulan.
Teka lang guys. Wala pa to sa plano. Wala to sa plano. Naka-game mode ako. Wala ito sa plano mga guys. Wala ito sa plano. Ano ka? Let's wait our cousin right here. Ayan na siya guys. Bug. Where do you spawn? Where? Over there. Okay. Oh, let's go. Let's open this. The schedules. Nag-ano ka? Nag-vlog. Tara, read. I-read natin. Wait lang. Yung ano muna. The schedules. By Claire 2037 original. Welcome to Girlfriend City. Ulit. 1, 2, 3, go. Welcome to the Girlfriend City. This is just a mini city. So don't expect that this is huge. Siya po 3595 hashtag Claire 2037 Minecraft accounts Shamara Alexa Nieves Jasmine Claire Facebook account schedule day 1 explore the houses that is given. Tara, explore muna natin yung bahay natin.
Sino una?
Ako muna. Sa akin muna. Uy, ganda ng bahay ah.
Wow, ganda.
Wow.
Wala, ang ganda.
Wow, ang ganda.
TV ko.
Oh, TV. Tapos ito may curtains ako. Panis,
Wow, ganda.
curtains.
At ito, dining table.
Oo.
Ito, may stage.
Wala akong laman. Unti lang laman yan. Tignan mo. Diba? 3 na lang.
Meron akong watermelon.
Kasi kinuha mo yan dyan.
Ano sa CR?
Okay. Ang CR naman is may glass. Okay.
Nagagana yung sink mo?
Hindi.
Yung toilet mo?
Oo.
Tara. Sa bedroom mo.
Oo. So,
This is your bed. Why is this for ladders?
why is there ladders? You want to take them and like go like this? Maybe you could like maybe if you have pickaxe, you can just mine this and put it like here. So by the way, let's explore this. Oh my god, sorry. I'm sorry. Uy, may respawn point set. Respawn point set ka sa pink ako. Green ka. So this is Shamara's room for my bunker because she need bunker. And this is my bunker. And ito yung akin guys. This is my armor. Armor na. Ayan na lang kaya armor natin. Tara. Break ko na yung sayo.
Uy, meron akong glass.
Meron ka? Wala akong glass. Ayan. Hindi ko makuha yung iba. Uy, nakuha mo. Nakuha mo sa akin yan. Ay, nakuha mo. Isa pa, yung, kompleto na pala. Napakaangat. Tapos lagay mo dyan yung mga ginamit mo ngayong araw.
Saan?
Diyan sa ano natin. Mamaya, wala yung laman. Let's go, epic round, everyone.
Next is my house.
Next is Shamara's house. So, anong laman nito? There's money! Wow, there is money.
Maria.
There is some money.
Tara.
Uy, ano lang kami? Nag-vlog kami.
Kaya ano lang po, nag-vlog kami po.
Hello, we have money.
Tara.
Go, let's go with your house.
This is our house. This is my house.
Wait lang. Pupause ko lang. I have to pause. Hi everyone, I'm back.
This is the seat.
Yeah.
You can sit here.
Hello.
This is the table, the sandwich, and
I'm sorry. And then chatman table that we can. Oh,
you can change the tunnel, but you have to place it. Kitchen.
this is the kitchen.
This is a little plate. Hey, this is the clock.
I'm sorry. Bro. Is this expired?
Not this is the working sink.
Oh!
Hey,
I hear a kitten.
don't kill it.
Hello, Iran. Can I feed your dog? I'm sorry. I supposed to stand. Why I can stand you, Ethan?
This is my dog.
Pwede mo siyang ma-stand?
Iya ba? Okay ko yan. Stay away from my baby.
Habibi. Oh.
This is the toys. Don't grab anything. You grab some.
No, I did not.
Ay.
We have a water effect. Woo! Hey, let's go to the Yo, you have money. Go get it. Everything. A creeper head. Can I take this? Oh, I have a clock. And the world is always day, bro. What a sunny day. Where are you? Do you have ender pearl?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Just gonna get the endermite here. Don't use it.
Oh, I like your skin, yo, bro. Let's go, bro. We have something to do. Let's read the next task. Let's go. Where are you? Let's read the next task here in your house. Wait. Let me. Let's go. Oi, let's go. I'm gonna read the schedules. Oh, just wait. Where are you? I'm sorry, guys. It's been a long time. Let's go. Oh, I guess I'm gonna explore this house. So this is our working sink. As you can see, it's working. And a working shower. I can tap it. Malulunod tayo. At dito yung bihisan. Ang ganda naman nito. Teka, ayusin ko lang to kung pwede pong ayusin. Bawal. Tara na. Ay, ito, hindi ko to na-check. Ano to? So, teka, dapat hindi ka na naglagay na itong iron block.
Design.
Design, ano yan? bathtub may pag... Why did you get it? I want it. Let's go. Oh, let's go.
My bedroom!
It's
Hey,
nice.
you didn't check my bedroom.
Oh, I'm sorry. Here.
What this is my bedroom. Get out there, get out.
Ah, okay. Let's meet
But-
tomorrow.
But
Hey.
this is my real bedroom. I'll get you.
Wow.
Ikot dyan sa kinakawatan nila.
Gua.
Ingaw-ingaw. Dyan sa.
Oh, your bedroom is nice.
My favorite.
I'm addicted to it, guys.
Ngayon tulog na.
Oh, I'm gonna sleep at my house. Ano ganitong bago? Hiling mo? Bye. I'm gonna just sleep in my house because... Can you tap the button? Can you tap the button again, please? Thank you. Close the door before you go down. Okay. Let's meet. I'll call you.